Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Azmar location. It is located in Rajasthan. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for area manager, rural gold loans or senior area manager, rural gold loans. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, achieving and exceeding business goals and targets for gold loans business, creating strong and compliant sales culture to drive acquisitions, profitability and employee development, managing and supporting the effective deployment of team of sales professionals with respect to the geographical area, exploring new markets and in allocating resources to most profitable opportunities, identifying the need of sales training, analyzing changing market trends, channel deployment, etc., and also giving feedback and suggestions to the RSM or NSM. And coming to the required qualifications and experience, graduation with 4 to 6 years and MBA with 3 to 4 years of relevant experience is required. Demonstrated success and achievement orientation, strong analytical skills and to drive channel performance and drive profitability, strong views for action and driving results in a high performance environment, people and relationship management skills are required, along with excellent communication and negotiation skills, affirmative in nature, strong leadership skills, clarity of the thoughts and perseverance. These are the required qualifications and experience. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Exide Life Insurance. They are looking for direct sales officer. Coming to the experience for this job role, that is minimum 6 months sales experience is required and age criteria is between 23 to 33 years. And coming to the job description, act as an interface between the company customers and should be able to offer customized insurance solution to the customers for all their financial needs. The primary responsibility is to drive the insurance sales for the company, converting leads provided by company to business, direct selling to the customers via appointments. And coming to the eligibility criteria, that is a 6 months sales experience is required and must be a graduate, and age criteria is between 21 to 30 years and field sales experience is mandate. These are the eligibility criteria. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Safran. They are looking for a creative graphic designer. Coming to the job responsibilities, collaborate with the team to ensure consistency of designs across various media outlets, create compelling and effective logos, designs, print and digital media, maintain awareness of current industry and technology standards, social media, competitive landscape and market trends. And coming to the qualifications, 2 to 4 years of experience in graphic design, proficient in Adobe Creative Suite like Photoshop, Illustrator and After Effects, strong communication, conceptual thinking, typography skills and design skills are required, along with the portfolio of work compulsory. These are the qualifications required for this job role. Coming to the salary, and it is based upon experience, like 5,000 rupees per month for amateur and 10,000 rupees per month for intermediate and 25,000 rupees per month for professionals. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in iBirds Software Services Private Limited. They are looking for marketing executive. Coming to the job summary, that is B2B sales and marketing, sales company products or services to targeted customers in the assigned area of the channel, increasing the business volume by selling all the products to the current and potential customers. To identify sales, employment type is permanent job and it is full time. Coming to the desired candidate profile, that is, candidates must be young, good looking and having excellent communication skills. Candidates applying must have a two-wheeler, and candidates should have presentation skills and have good communication skills, customer service and meeting sales. These are the desired candidate profile. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Next one, there is a job opening available in Vijay Constructions. They are looking for interior designer. Coming to the job responsibilities, create attractive designs and layouts for various projects. Meet with client in order to understand the client's objectives and desires. Communicate effectively with client, vendors and team in order to address client's needs. Prepare presentations like 3D, 2D mockups and rendering for clients. Create codes for clients and ensure full workflow is followed, and maintain industry knowledge in order to stay relevant. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the qualifications for this job role, like bachelor's degree and 2 to 3 years of experience in related field, proficient in AutoCAD and Microsoft Office suite, like that, and strong creative and communication skills along with demonstrated ability to execute. These are the qualifications for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in CRM landing. Looking for Salesforce developer, that is looking for fresher and up to 2 years experience in Salesforce or Java developers, and there are 10 vacancies are available for this job role, and good to have PD1 certificate. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. To the next one, there is a job opening available in Tosnival Industries Private Limited. They are looking for a graphic designer, and coming to the job responsibilities, like collaborate with the team to ensure consistency of design across various media outlets. Create compelling and effective logos, designs, print and digital media. Maintain awareness of current industry and technology standards, social media, competitive landscape and market trends. These are the job responsibilities. And coming to the job qualifications, bachelor's degree in graphic design or related field is preferred, and 0 to 2 years of experience in graphic design, freshers also can apply for this job role, and proficient in Adobe Creative Suite, strong communication, conceptual thinking, typography skills and design skills are required, and portfolio of work. These are the qualifications for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in iCloud EMS. They are looking for PHP Laravel developer. Coming to the job roles and key responsibilities, like developing ERP applications and software products using core object oriented using PHP, Laravel, MySQL and Ajax, Angular 5, like that, and involved in a complete system development lifecycle, automating the system process and developing the software products, and must be passionate to develop applications in PHP or MySQL, proficient in Ajax ERP product development, PHP, MySQL, database design and lifecycle, and should be quick learner and hardworking. These are the job roles and key responsibilities. Coming to the interview process, like technical round and HR round, and in technical round we will share an assignment as a part of the interview process, wherein they give some instructions and relevant documents to help you in completing the assignment. And once you are done with the assignment, and they would take your profile ahead to the HR round. This is the interview process. Coming to the qualifications, like BTech or BE Computers and Telecommunication and diploma is required. Coming to the ideal profile, like you possess a degree or diploma in computer science, engineering or a related field, and you have at least 1 year experience, ideally within a software engineer role, and you possess a strong knowledge of AngularJS, Laravel and PHP, good knowledge of MySQL databases, and you pay strong attention to detail and deliver work that is of a high standard, and you are a strong team player who can manage multiple stakeholders, and you are adaptable and thrive in changing environments. This is the ideal profile. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening available in Applus. They are looking for a full stack WordPress developer. Coming to the job roles and key responsibilities, PHP based website production, coding, deployment and optimization of ongoing projects, optimize applications for speed and scalability, development of front-end and back-end web properties, working closely with their creative team to develop, implement and maintain designs that fit their brand look and feel, lightweight server-side maintenance, domains, DNS, redirects and hosting, deploying international websites with the translation management, ensuring high performance and availability, and managing all technical aspects of the CMS. Coming to the skills for this job role, like OOPS concepts must be clear, good understanding of PHP, jQuery, MySQL, HTML and CSS, strong proficiency in JavaScript including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model, and strong understanding of any PHP based CMS like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Magento, Xcode, etc., or a framework like Laravel, Cake PHP, Y2, and Code Igniter, etc., and third party API integration, ability to implement automated testing platforms and unit tests. These are the skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.